Good evening, everybody. Yeah, you can read that. Sure looks like you can. All right, let's see what we got over here on YouTube. Good evening, everybody. YouTube Studios. Content live on good evening, everybody. PM signal call out for tomorrow's trades. What's today's date again? Hold on. 27/23 Monday. Safetytrade.com. Looks good enough to me. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. I don't know who's here or not here. All right, now we have to get this over here. Copy over here. Go down to here. Grab our tags. Good evening, good evening, good evening. We're about to go over a few trades. I'm going to do a few things. I'm not in a rush tonight, so if you guys need anything, I'll be able to help you all out. You can ask some questions. I got one question I'm going to answer for a gentleman that already submitted them to me. So I'm going to go over his question. All right, now I think we're live. Let's see what we got. Good evening, Sam I Am and Bradley McGargle. Good evening, Stevie Haynes and Jeros 12,000. Good evening, Robel. Good evening, Evan Jaruski. Good evening, Wealth Creation Project. Good evening, Metal Mind. Good evening, Annetta Robinson. Good evening, D Nice. Good evening, Kai. Good evening, Tanny B. Good evening, 27. Thank you, Kai. Good evening, Sai. Let's see, what do we got over here? I don't even know what we are on. There we go. 37 people, 20 thumbs up. That's cool. All right. Good evening, Crystal. Hold on. Yeah, Crystal Hudson. Good evening, Chakal. Good evening, Robel. All right. My legal disclaimer is up. Have fun reading that. Valine Valine. Okay. I don't know how to spell Valin up. Valin up 609. Good evening, Jay Parker and Georgie. And hopefully no one's in Discord. Good job, guys. Stay out of the Discord. Good evening, Jason Roby. Good evening, Winston Bailey. Good evening, John Lamero. Good evening, James Bond, 1751 750. All right. Before we get started, always have the legal disclaimer now. What's shaking, Rayshawn Warren? Good evening, John, again. No one on this channel is a financial advisor. No one claims to be. If anyone's silly enough to think that I am, I don't know about you all. Not too many financial advisors tell you the truth and cuss at you. So that definitely sets me apart. What's up, Stevie? Just like everything I say and do, this is all just for fun and educational purposes only. You will have to validate all the trades. You will have to enter your own demo trades, because I am not a financial advisor. I do not give financial advice. You need to seek professional advice and help if you think I am one. Furthermore, I do not provide personal blah, blah, blah. Read it all. Someone said earlier they couldn't read it all. I guarantee you can, because I'm reading it off the screen. So if I can read it, you can read it. I am just a social media influencer, not even a good one at that. I try my best to help you all make money, and that's it. So if you all understand I'm not a financial advisor, please type the word yes. I don't need everyone to say it. I mean, it'd be nice, but if just a few of you would do that, that'd be freaking awesome. Good evening, Paul. Good evening, Johan. Good evening, Kim, the Candle Envy. Kim, the Candle Envy Lady. Good evening, Dustin Groom. Thank you, D Nice. Thanks you, James Bond. Thank you, Cy, Paul, John. Yeah, so you guys know it. I know y'all know it, but I have to, for legal purposes, I'm trying to clean up my act and make sure that there's no fucking misunderstandings. God, people out there are really, really, really silly sometimes. So we're going to make sure we're covering all our bases. Oh, look at how good this is. Is yours 30? Oh, nice. I'm still not in the money on my damn options. Really? That's odd. Let me refresh those. That seems really odd. Hold on a second. Let's see what we shall see. I'm up $1. I knew that shit had frozen. I'm up a whole $1 on my options. Thankful to God. Yep, I knew I would be, though. They had to be, because they were up from where they are. That's just not even accurate. They'll get more up here later on. All right, let's bring over our trading view. Everyone must understand that the trading view charts are the same as the MetaTrader 4 charts, yet I have people crack me the F up. Let me give you an int that when we didn't have it on TradingView, everybody wanted TradingView. Now that we have it on MetaTrader 4 and TradingView, everyone wants it on MetaTrader 4 when you can't get it. Cracks me the hell off. All right, so what we're going to do right here is we're going to look at how gorgeous this is. Just gorgeous. Beautiful opening. We have our stuff here. I mean, this is just something else. What you guys have in your possession right now is just crazy, crazy good. That's all I can tell you. All right, this is what it looks like on TradingView. Ka-ching. Good evening, Raider Trader. All right, so here we go. I'm going to make some call outs, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to teach you exactly how I trade, and maybe give you a little advanced training too. We'll see. We're live from New York City. No, not in New York today. Outside of Atlanta, actually. I'm finding TradingView A++. Nice, John. John Lamuro likes TradingView. I'm learning to like it. Each his own. You know, everybody has their strong points. MetaTrader 4, I like the way the charts look, a little more particular on the higher time frames. I love TradingView on the 1 minute, 30 seconds. I love TradingView on the fact that I can go into certain, it's just a little better movements for me, what I want. But at the same time, I'm loving MetaTrader 4, but unfortunately, MetaTrader 4 is like under this fucking shithole attack of some BS. I have no idea what's going on with them. But so until they get straightened out, we're only offering on TradingView. So that's it. But isn't it beautiful? Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. This is wonderful. Anyway, we'll go over that in a second. All right. Kai, you should take responsibility for other adults' action. You should not have to take responsibility for other adults' action. Oh, right, Kai. Yeah, I know, right? Everyone's an adult here. You can't buy the system unless you are, but somehow people never take responsibility for their trading and they never take responsibility for their own actions. It's the weirdest fucking thing in this world that we have. I don't understand it, but whatever. It's all good. Look at our real direction bars. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, picture perfect. I have three trades open. I have a Nadex knockout on a buy stop on US 30. That can net me about, I think it was $436 or something. I think we'll get on that one. And then I have two trades open right here. I have these two trades open right here. This one is 775 pips on NAS, and this one's $167 $167 an ounce right here. So 168 ounces up on gold. These are both buys, and you can see the times in. One was, well, you can't see the time in. I can move it over here. One was on 10.9, the gold buy, and one was on 11.10. So one's been open 2 weeks, the NAS, and one's been open over a month. Hell, we're going on 2 months coming up here soon on the gold buy. So just holding those. Those are my only current trades I have open, even or pending for that matter. Those are those. All right. Does anybody have any questions? Please ask that now. I'm going to go ahead and do my 12 so readout just so you're clear. I'm going to read out gold, oil, blah, 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 all that good stuff. If there's any questions, please ask. Otherwise, I'm going to get started. I'm going to go with oil first. UK and US oil. Which broker do you use for those long-term trades? I'll hold long-term trades, and I used to do only Eagle FX. I'm holding long-term trades in Eagle FX right now, and yes, I know it's a lot of money. I get it. I've been able to pull out all of my money anyways, so I don't have hardly any money in besides this account right here. I have 7 Eagle FX accounts. Now, if they start pissing me off and they start fucking around and I don't like what they're doing, I'm going to probably jump into Pepperstone, and I'm probably going to use my interactive broker one for those, or my Forex.com one. I realize Forex.com doesn't have the indices, but it has Euro, EURUSD. It has all your Forex pairs, crosses, and majors. I even think Forex.com has gold on it, if I'm not mistaken. So either way, you can hold them long. They do charge you interest rates. That's called your swap fee, and that can get pretty damn steep. I have my swap on the one trade is $1,600 right now. It's costing me, but that's fair. I'm using their money. They charge interest, just what it is. I don't mind it. It's a fair thing for them to do. Okay, well, I'm going to get started. UK oil and US oil. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line has already happened. 5 minute. 1 minute sell stop. Forming a 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop. Oh, nice. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour sell. I like that actually. Hold on. Oh. What's this fucking buy? Damn, if they didn't have that 5 minute buy right there, I'd be jumping all into this oil on my. That's tempting. See the 4 hour sell. It already did the 4 hour sell. Hold on a second here. 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour sell. I'm going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to do one. Let me see what the, you can go over to nadex.com, NADEX, go to your crude oil, go over to knockouts, go over to your crude oil, and let me just see something here. I'm going to see what a sell is. Oh, it's only going to be like $30. I forgot you have to do a lot with these little suckers. 91 and 62. I'm going to risk that. We'll drop that in and see how we do as we go. All right. Sorry about that. All right. Yeah, I'm not going to do it here, though, but you heard the call outs. U.S. oil, 1 minute sell, It's already in the money, actually. 1 minute sell, 5 minute buy. More importantly, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour sell. So it's a 30-minute, 1 hour sell, 4 hour daily, weekly buy, monthly buy. That's US UK oil. XRP, love us XRP. What's little XRP doing these days? Not much, huh? 1 minute, nothing. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5 minute buy, 5 minute, 15 minute. Nope. 5 minute buy XRP. 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour sell stop XRP. Damn, I wish we had that. I don't have any of those on Nadex. There's no cryptos over here. Yeah, that's a beautiful one. I do like that a lot. That 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop to the 1 hour blue line XRP is beautiful. Nothing. Daily buy. Daily buy stop XRP. Weekly sell stop to the blue line XRP. And I really hope that doesn't come true, but boy, it sure does look like it might. Monthly buy stop XRP. That's what I'm hoping we can do before we see that weekly. Ethereum. Ethereum is the same as Bitcoin. Let me take a quick look here. 1 minute sell stop. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line Bitcoin. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line Ethereum. 5 minute, forming a 5 minute buy stop Ethereum. Forming a 30-minute, 1 hour sell. I love this 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop Ethereum. 4 hour daily buy. 4 hour daily buy Ethereum. Weekly sell Ethereum. Monthly buy Ethereum. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Bitcoin, 5 minute buy stop to the blue line. That's beautiful, actually. 15-minute sell. 30-minute sell. 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Gorgeous. 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. Bitcoin. This is great. Bitcoin usually doesn't have a lot to play. We have a shit ton to play. 4 hour daily buy stop. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. Bitcoin. USD CHF, USD CHF is the opposite of EUR USD. Whatever I call for one is going to be the opposite for the other. 1 minute EUR USD. Sell stop to the blue line. 5 minute. Nope, it's going to come down more. 15 minute. 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, EUR USD. Daily, weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line, EUR USD. Gold. Love us the gold. 1 minute buy, but let me see something. That doesn't look right. Already came down here and hit its blue line. It did. Yay, look at that. Gorgeous. 1 minute buy. Let me see how far away we are with these things. 5 minute, 15 minute. No, it's right on the line. Fine. 1 minute buy stop, and I don't like it. I would look for gold, and I'm going to go against what you're seeing. Look for a 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line on gold, and then let it form a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop on gold. That's what I would look for. Yeah, I don't like that it's already gone up as much as it has. That's just me. You guys trade the way you want. And of course, I'm up $168 an ounce. So we bought way down here when it was whatever this is, 1940. What was my buy-in? Hold on. Price in was gold. Hold on. Oh, 18. Hold on. That's current price. That's funny as fuck. 1847.70 is my price in on gold. 1847. And of course, it's at 2000 and whatever the hell it's at. 16. Nice. It's enough to retire 20 fucking traders. Anyways, yep. So that's what we got there. That's your gold. All right, let's go on to our SPX. SPX NAS US 30, they always run together. They're always the same. You all know that by now. What one does, they all do. And they all will eventually get to that point. Let's take our scanner first and take a look. Look at how gorgeous that thing, the most technologically advanced scanner in the history of the world. H&H blue line. Oh, we have a NAS 1 minute. See, look at there. The scanner is showing you a NAS 1 minute sell stop. US 30, not yet, and not yet. Let's take a look and see if I can call those for us, though. Let's go over to, we have NAS. Let me see NAS first. NAS 1 minute. Oh, gorgeous underneath it. Interesting. Did US 30 already go underneath it? Let's see. Interesting. It came down to it. And came down to it again. Look at that spike. Those cheating little bastards. What was that this afternoon? Hope you guys made some money on it. Let's see. SPX. 1 minute sell stop SPX to the blue line, but it's already hit it multiple times. This is interesting to me. Already hit it again right there. Things that make you say, 1 minute, 5 minute. Okay, fair enough. 15 minute. Yep. Nope. We're going to go again. All right. SPX. Here we go. XBX, 1 minute sell stop. SPX. It's a 5 minutes, a 15 minute, 30, 15 minute, 30, 1 hour, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Let me zoom back out of here in a second. Yeah. Am I in that long-term option? I am. Okay, I'm good. All right. Yeah. Perfect, actually. SPX, 1 minute sell, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. I already wrote those out right from early this morning. Is that what we still have? 1 minute sell stop. My favorite's a 1 hour, 4 hour buy. You guys made a shit ton of money on those buys, by the way. Yeah, we're going to leave it at that. 5 minute, 15 minute, shit, nothing, 30 minute, 1 hour buy, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Okay, let's take a look at NAS. 1 minute, sell to back. Yeah, sell. Well, I'm not going to call the NAS. SPX, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. US 30, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. NAS, whatever. You're probably a little late on that one. 5 minute sell. 5 minute sell stop. So 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. NAS to the blue line. 15 minute broken box. 30 minute crossover. It's going to happen soon. 1 hour buy. 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop NAS. Let's go over to US 30. 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell. 15 minutes still coming. 30 minute. 1 hour. 30 minute, 1 hour. Oh, that sucks. Hope it jerks up quick. See it. Did it even go down and touch? Hold on a second. Came close, but no. Prefer this to go down and touch this blue line, but nonetheless, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Okay. And to be clear, I fully suspect by 9:30 tomorrow morning, US 30 SPX will flash the red. They'll turn red. I personally have a feeling you're going to see all the 5 minutes turn to red too. And you might even get a 15 minute out of NAS. That's just me. Who knows? We'll see. In the meantime, if you don't want to do those, just patiently wait and do 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops. Your 1 hour, 4 hour buy stops were best done. And this was on NAS, right? Hold on, let me make sure. This is on US 30. Oh, US 30 tipped under. That is gorgeous. This should have been your entry point right there. Oh, you guys probably missed 50 pips because I wasn't trading then. And then NAS went right below it. Gorgeous. And SPX, what'd she do? There you go. Let me go to the 4 hour. I think the only one I was comfortable with when I traded a little heavier with some options this morning, yeah, was NAS. And the reason why I was more confident with NAS or more comfortable with NAS had dipped down below its yellow line right here on the 4 hour, making an easy entry. So it went up for 4 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours today. And that's why it's pulling back now. So there you go. Easy peasy. That is, it's about a dozen or so, maybe a few more. Different signals called for you guys. I'm comfortable with that. All right. Just bought the scanner, says Jacob. Nice, Jacob. That is a smart decision. Innovative concepts. What's up? Big retrace. I don't know about big, but yeah, it's going to pull back like it. Whatever goes up during the day. Shit isn't hard, by the way, just so we're clear. when you see these 15 minutes, like on NAS right here, go up all day long, they're going to pull it down overnight from 6 o'clock the next day on. It could be 9, it could be midnight, it could be 3:30. They'll pull it back down again. That's all they do. Getting it set up again for another 1 hour buy stop later on tomorrow. Or just keep playing the downs. I don't care. You can be in the trade and go down. Look at it drop, by the way. You're in the money on the 1 minute sells on NAS. You're in the money on the US 30 sell. And you're back. Look at that. Beautiful trade. You're in the money into the blue line hit on SPX. So now we have 2 out of 3. I just said that. Now you have 2 out of the 3 already turning red. There's our scanner. They're both below it. 2 out of the 3. Take any 1 minute sell stop you see to the 1 minute blue line of US 30. And there you go. You're seeing it live in action. See, now the next time you'll see this, hopefully, Lord willing, I'm not saying it will go below the blue line. I'm saying it's going to go towards it, and it already has, actually. So you would have already made money if you listened to my call about whatever that was a few minutes ago. There it is. And that is amazing. By the way, your scanner comes with that. Who was that? Jacob. That is a free addition that we gave to you. This is a $500 a month scanner that we give to everyone that's in our scanner rooms or in the sniper rooms for free. We give you this. Yeah, you're welcome. All right. What's up, Matt Parker? Hello, sir. All right. Anybody have any questions before I go into how to trade, exactly how to use my system? I'm down $23 on my little options. Wow, son of a bitch. Look at it drop. How beautiful is that? Gorgeous. $107 since you called. Yeah. Thank you, Robel. Standing O to Robel. There you go. Robel, you are just on fire lately. Craig Williams says, just bought the scanner. Awesome. Awesome decision, guys, to get the scanner. Absolutely. All right. If there's no more questions, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to jump in exactly how I trade every morning when I get up. Boy, I was tired this morning. All right, guys. First thing I do is when I open my eyes in the morning, I pray. And I thank God for another day above ground. Then I do my Wim Hof. And then I do my Wim Hof. Gold seems to be selling. Hold on. Yeah, that's kind of what I was mentioning to you guys, but whatever. Then I do my Wim Hof. Then I do my EWAT therapy. Then I lift and I do all this stuff and I do grounding and I do Wim Hof. I do my grounding first and I do my Wim Hof red light therapy. Then I do my cold therapy. Then I do my actually cold therapy second. And then I do my red light therapy. Then I do my exercises, blah, blah, blah. All right. After all that, I look at my charts. The first thing I look at is this right here. My H&H scanner, Horseshoes and Hagerty scanner, blue line scanner. And I see if anything's weird. And you can see right here, which was called out, by the way. Yet another nice little call out that right here. You're going to see that you have certain things happening. Well, I see there's a red here, red here, red here. I'm looking for a 1 minute sell stop on US 32. It's blue line. Then I'm looking, I just told you, you're going to see NAS hit its 5 minute, maybe in its 15-minute red line. I hope you guys are paying attention. I just said that. And then you'll see SPX follow suit, and you'll probably even see US 30 come down to it. Not sure on that. We'll see. This will all happen overnight. And then tomorrow during the day, sometime between 8:30 and 10:30, you're going to see everything flip to green and come back up again. And if it doesn't, I'll be okay because I have some sells anyway. So I'm okay with that, especially with my options. All right. So we're golden. And that's what I look at. The very next step I do is I open up my 1 hour charts and I see what the hell's going on. And I'm specifically looking here. This is up over here. So my number one that I'm going to check out is my sniper, $150 a month extra. Don't give a fuck whether you get it or not. Please don't get it. And another thing, if you're going to buy my system and then in 2 weeks complain you don't understand it, please leave. Just don't be here. I do everything in my power to try to help you all succeed. But if you're going to give it 2 weeks to try to work it out, get out. It's yes, some people do it. I understand Heather's done it. I understand Tommy's done it. I understand Gourav's done it. I understand. Yeah, I get that. I know lots of people can do it in 2 weeks, but the reality is the likelihood of you being able to do it in 2 weeks is 0. Well, 1%. You're not going to be able to catch on. It's going to take you a month, 2 months, 3 months, a year. Who knows? But to think that you're going to catch on in 2 weeks, don't waste your money. I don't want your money. I want to help you trade. Am I clear? You don't have to answer that. But at any rate, so I open up my charts. I go to the 1 hour. I say, hey, 1 hour. My charts are specifically US 30. Boom, look, low on US 30. Hey, what's NAS doing? Low on NAS. What's SPX doing? Low on SPX. So then I would go, okay, well, either there's a 15-minute sell stop going to be going down to there. Nope, not yet anyways. Let me check if there's a 15-minute sell stop on NAS. Nope, it's already too low. In US 30, yes, there could be a sell there, but that's not likely. So if it's not going to be a 15-minute, then is it a 4-hour? So let's take a look. We're going to open up a 4-hour right here. We're going to do US 30 right here. And I'll show you what it looks like. It's even easier to see on TradingView in a 1 hour here. And what do we see? Well, our number one is high. That's our 4-hour. Always go to your higher time frame for your first check. Number, right? Look at this. Number two is the blue line low. It is. Number three is the pink line low. It is. Number four is there a buy stop. Well, there was a fill in the gap on this one, but if we go to NAS, you'll see NAS actually had a complete another buy stop. It was the most gorgeous thing ever. Let's take a look here. Same exact thing. You're seeing it live. High, boom, low, right? Low over here. Buy stop was right here today. You literally saw today NAS you could have made and did make with me about 70 to 80 pips up. It was a very easy trade. I did my options with it, made very good money on the options on Nadex. Extremely happy. And of course, the same thing if you want to check SPX down here. You can see blue lines high, perfect for SPX. And here's our buy stop right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Not as much, but still very good money. And that's it. So when I see all those things and I verify all my trades, I go right over to my rules. And this is how you trade. This is what sets us apart from most other traders that I'm aware of, is they really, really, and it annoys the hell out of me, they do not have, people don't follow rules. Hell, my audience doesn't follow rules. My people don't follow rules. It drives me, why do you have my system if you're not going to follow my rules? So I am very, very, very aggressive with people following my rules. Oh, he's mean. Nope, not at all. I do have the Nick Saban quote, by the way. The Nick Saban quote was, passion looks like aggression to the unmotivated. That's going to burn a lot of you alive. Passion looks like aggression to the unmotivated, according to Nick Saban. And I love him. I think he's 100% right. So let's take a look at our rules. These are our rules. We actually have rules to trading and we follow our rules. Let's take a look. So what do I have? I have specific things I do when I trade. I only look for my logo, and I'll show you what that looks like right now. We look for a logo. I only trade our logo. The logo has to be on both time frames. Someone asked that this morning who's been through training. I'm embarrassed for you to ask that question. The logo, the buy stop or the sell stop has to be, like if it's a 1 hour, 4-hour buy, it has to be on the 4-hour green up, and it has to be on the 1 hour. If it's not there, you don't trade it. It's literally the first thing I say every morning, so I can't help you all. Rewatch this video until you get it. How do we find these green up arrows or down arrows? You do this. On the 1 minute chart, you do this. Or on the 1 minute, on the faster time frame chart, you look for this. And then the down arrow if it's a sell stop, perfect sell stop, and confirmation. You do all these things. And I'll show you how to find that live. It's super, super easy. Then we actually go to the more rules, the actual rules themselves, which are right here. Okay. Our rules are, if you don't see a clear safe trade on the 1 minute, you look to the next time frame and so on, but keep checking back to make sure the 1 minute, 5 minutes aren't forming. The order in which safety trades develop are 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. So if you see a 1 minute sell stop, right, and you literally think that, oh, this is a 1 minute sell stop right now, but you see the 1 hour, 4 hours to develop, the 1 minute forms first. You may open one or more safety trades at the same time, but don't get suckered into the higher time frame trade, which so many of you do. I bet you 90% of you do this on a daily basis, which drives me absolutely bonkers, but I can only help you so much. Once the safety trade finishes, look for the next higher time frame. My brother was notorious for asking this question over and over again. How do you know when it's finished? Because like this morning, when US 30 hit its blue line on the 1 minute 6 or 7 times, it's finished. Look for the 1 hour buy stops on NAS, for instance. And of course, you made money. Absolutely. As soon as the trade is triggered, put your pivot point stop loss in. If you don't know what it is, refer to your training video. It's in your training video. Take profit is you open up 2 or more trades. Take profit after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In other words, don't be a greedy pig and then let one run. You can be a greedy pig with that. Always move your buy stop or sell stop lines up or down with the order that's or with the movement of the price that's happening. And always thank, the most important rules of all, always thank God, always do good with your profits. And if you would, have my back, but whatever. Most of you do. Some of you are still kind of putsy with that, but whatever. You live with yourselves, not me. All right, so let's go back to finding our logo, green and red. Let's see what we look like. Putting this little rules back over here. So how does our logo look? Well, if we're looking on our 1 hour, 4 hours, I literally have my candles changed to lines so you can see what it looks like. It is so freaking cool. It actually draws our logo out for us when you do this. So freaking cool. What do I mean? Let's take a look. It's in a book. Take a look. Here we go. Oh. Reading rainbow. What do I mean? Price starts below. You see the line below? There's a green arrow, up arrow. It comes down, bounces off, forming our logo once, twice, 3 times, and currently today, this is 4 times. This is when it went below it and did it. It's as simple as that. So every time there's a retracement here, right here, you're going to see a buy stop here. So how does that look in real life? Let's take a look. Told you. See right here where this is bounced under. You can clear, let me zoom this in for you so you can see it a little clearer. You can see our logo came, formed over here. If I just draw a little the end of the arrow right here, you see it going up. When it was under right here, this is your buy stop right here. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Nothing but money. Nothing but money. In the bag money right here. And this is actually even better. This is a fill in the gap, also a fill in the gap broken Bach. And to be clear, a broken Bach buy stop is this. When you see a Bach break versus a non-Bach break, it's equal 1 million indicators. And I sound like Austin Powers, but it's the truth. And that's what it is. And it fucking kicks ass and makes money. How much money? I don't know, about 70, 80, 90 pips today for you. Yesterday, 2 days ago when it did it, it actually went up 200 pips for you. That's all. And that's how you trade. That's how I trade all of them. Does it work on gold, ERUSD? Yep. Does it work on oil? Yep. You should all be looking either for 15-minute, 1 hour buy stops or sell stops, or 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop or sell stops. If you're a beginner, you should only trade when you see 15-minute, 1 hour buys or sells on all 3 indices. Crude's in the money, by the way. Yay. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over it. I'm sure like passion is energy. It is. Love that quote. Oh, I got you. Good. Yes, Rebel's killing it. He is killing it. Yeah. All right. Now, that is exactly how I trade. Step by step, exactly what to do. Okay. There is no mistaking what I do. Okay. 15-minute, 1 hour. Show trading view. I'm going to show you that. And you have to record your session to learn for it. Some of you guys still haven't done this, but I use what's called an ice cream recorder. Well, not on this particular one here, but I do. Well, I'm using it, but not to record. This thing is right here. I use it to draw with. It's the most. It's better than EpiPen or Epic Pen or anything else. But this right here is how you record your sessions. And let me give you a hint. When you record your sessions every day and you learn from it, say you did the buy stop today and you made money, you can replay those sessions over and over and over again. Over and over and over again. So today, Monday, you would have made money, right? We made money, nice trade, 1 hour, 4 hour. I showed you all this shit over here and over here and over here and over here. So I showed you everything what to do. And you can watch this today for Monday, and that's it. And you've learned from Monday one time. If you record your session, you can rewatch it a dozen times, have a dozen Mondays, which would be 3 months. You can rewatch this 52 times and have a year's worth of Mondays rather than waiting for every Monday to reform every week, every day, every Monday. You can rewatch today's Monday and learn a year's worth of learning in about an hour. Rewatch it a minute or two each time. Let it play out. Show it live. And if you do that, you can condense your learning from months into days. You can learn my system instead of taking 6 months. You can rewatch your recordings on Mondays, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and rewatch it 50 times, right? 52 weeks in a year. Rewatch it 52 times, and you can make a year's worth of learning in probably a week. Does anybody understand this? Yes or no? What's up, Paul Bentz? Anybody at all understand this? I'm trying to show you how you can compress decades of learning into a week or two. So some of you who aren't getting it, why don't you try rewatching it? Wealth correction proxy, I got one yes. There should be 100 yeses. There should be 16. There should be 66 yeses. Because if you understand that, no longer do you have to be, losing this and losing that. And why did I lose? Well, if you rewatch your training or rewatch your recording session, you can go, hey, I lost because I was an idiot and didn't follow rule 2. I lost today because I was a moron because I didn't follow rule 3. I won today because I was a genius because I followed all the rules. I won today because I followed the 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop rules on NAS. Marcus Mike Jones says no. Well, here's a good answer for you, Mike. Just go ahead and record your session, the session I'm teaching today, or as I do for you anyways on YouTube, and rewatch it. And then you'll learn how to answer yes on that question, Marcus Mike Jones. Crystal Hudson, yes, I understand. Thank you, Crystal. All right. So here you go. That's how you trade from the start to the finish. Everything I do humanly possible is taught in what I just taught you. Yes, I understand some of you are slow learners. I get that. But don't spew your hate on me for your inability to learn. People make money all day long. We had one of our guys in the Discord, Stevie, he passed another funded account. That man has to be up to like 20 funded accounts. Robel, he makes money while I'm talking to you. He's over here making trades and making money as you speak. 1 minute sell, stop, fill in the gap is happening right now, actually. What is that, NAS? So let me go over here to US 30. US 30 has to be dropping. Yeah, I'd be really looking for these 1 minute sell stops in US 30 right now. Pay attention to those. Look at SPX, did the ricochet, bounce back up. I hope Sid's here. Bounce back up, came up, boom, ricochet back down to the blue line again. What's up, Orlando Walters? God bless you too. There you go, Mike Jones. You'll figure it out when you watch it. All right. Called out the signals, taught you how to trade. Even mentioned the ricochet blue line trade right there. I have 4 trades open, 2 buys, NAS and gold, long term. I have 1 sell. Hold on. I have 1 sell oil and 1 buy US 30 on Nadex options, the knockouts to be specific. Those are the only trades I have. I'm not going to put in. Do I want to put in? Hold on. Let me go to 1 hour again real quick over here. Let me see something real quick. That is. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to put in a 1 hour. Can I do it off the 4 hour? No. It's not underneath. Boy, if NAS goes below this yellow line again, yeah, sirree. Yeah, buddy. I'm going to be opening up a trade. Should I just drop one in anyways, just in case tonight? I might. I want to move that down before I go to bed tonight, though. I'm going to move this down as this rolls down. I think we can get it underneath the yellow line. Heads up for you guys. If we can get this to come up, come down, go below the yellow line again, I would enter a buy stop on NAS doing that is what I would do. Okay. Anybody have any questions over anything on TikTok or YouTube? If not, it wasn't a long session, but everybody, what do you give the rating of today's this evening's live? 1 sucked ass, 10 was pretty damn good. Or you can go 10 pluses, or I guess you can go negatives if you want. I don't really care. If there's no questions, is this a training session? Is it 1? Is this a 10? Where we got it at? 15 says Metal. Thank you, Metalman. Would you enter the buy on the 1 hour on NAS candle envy? No, ma'am. If this goes below the 4 hour, Kim, I would enter in just like I did earlier today. When it was below it like this, I'd enter in on the yellow line. You want price to come down below this right now, just like it did here. Matter of fact, I'm going to go do you guys a favor. This is what I'm hoping we're going to see. Our logo comes over, blah, blah, blah. I'd really like it to do this, just like that. Not quite go down as low as it did the last time. Come below the yellow right here. We should see a W form for us. We don't need a W. I'm just trying to get you guys to visualize things. That's all that's there for. 10 plus, 100 says Kai. Wealth. Oh, okay. 15, Tanny B. You're welcome, Tanny. You're welcome, Kim. Say 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop. Could you elaborate on why you say that? A 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop? I've been saying that for the last 2 or 3 months, sir. But yes, when it's a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop, which this is not, you want to see the 15-minute. Oh, let me get this out of here. You want to get to see your 15-minute blue line low and the 1 hour up high, but you can't do that right here. If you want me to scoot back and I can show you what it looks like, sure. Not a problem. Let me scoot back to here and see if I can show you on a 15-minute, 1 hour. Where's my 15 at? There you go. I might not be able to go that far back. Let's see. I can't really because we don't have enough memory on the trade. But what we're talking about is a 15-minute, 1 hour is when the 1 hour line is up high. Let me see. I can probably show you this on another symbol. Let me look at gold real quick. 1 hour. Yeah, let's do that for you. So I'll show you 1 hour. We'll go to 15-minute gold, and let's see if we can find a nice one that's easy to see. Well, there's my answer. Okay, here's gold. This is gold 15-minute up high. This is gold 1 hour down low. Okay. So when you see this, and I'll pull it up on TradingView too, so you can see it. So all we're going to do is this. On gold, the very first time it happens is always the best, by the way, but on gold, blue line went from low to high, so the blue line's up high on the 1 hour. Number 2, did the 15-minute dip down low? Number 3, did the pink come down with it on the 1 hour? Yep. 4, was there a buy stop? There's your buy stop. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. And I'm actually shocked, the Wealth Creation Project, that you're not doing a little better with this. This has been drawn out for you multiple times. You're probably ratting yourself out a little bit by not admitting that you're actually not watching these videos. Blue line's high, blue line's low. 15-minute low, 1 hour high. It's all you need. The confirmation's 3. Your buy stop is your confirmation. Put it on here on the 15-minute line, or you can look for a better entry. If it went below on the 1 hour, it would have been better, but it didn't. You can see our line has been drawn out. It came up, came back down, retraced. Not ideal, but it retraced, and it went up. Boop, there's gold price going up. So that's exactly what I mean by a 15-minute, 1 hour. Do you see that Wealth Creation project? You answer yes or no, please, so that we can get over this little up that you have. Griffey says 10. Only one person on TikTok rated me. Okay. Well, TikTok, I'm going to see you later. Goodbye. So long. Talk to y'all later. And staying on YouTube, though. So there you go. Boop. All right. YouTube. Thank you very much. Wanted to be sure. Yes, sir. Make sure you are sure and you don't ask that question again and you learn. And again, if y'all watch this training session over and over and over and over again, you'll learn. You won't ask me these questions. That's what cracks me up. Oh, you're so passionate, and you're so angry, and you're so this. I'm just trying to help y'all learn to trade. I'm not trying to be mean to any of you. The reality is, most of you are too lazy to actually rewatch this video once, and that's embarrassing. I have tetrabyte fulls of my my training, my learning when I was learning to make the system up. Tetrabytes, years of trading. I have on dozens of memories. Just saying. And you guys won't even watch what I'm teaching you now. I had to learn it myself. I taught it to myself. I created the system myself. And you guys are lazy. You can't even rewatch this. When I give it to you, don't even rewatch it. It's so funny to me. We trucking at 10, Orlando Waters. Yes. Tarson Black. Good afternoon, Tarson. All right. Do not forget for 1 second, we are actually senior ambassadors for Stan. We make money. Bree and I make money. We are ambassadors, senior. Our store for Stan is, and I'm not sure. I used to say top 50, but we might be top 20. So we make money from our store, not some. We make a shit ton of money from our stores. Let me be clear. We are senior ambassadors for Stan. I hadn't even brought this up. Oh my gosh. I don't think I brought this up Friday. I know I didn't brought it up today. Brought it up today. But this is our, let me see if I can make this full screen. Yeah. This is our Stan store. And we're so good at our Stan store that we might be like 20th and out of all their hundreds and thousands and tens of thousands of stores Stan has, we're like a top 50, but I think we're a top 20 store producing. We make money doing this. Do not think for 1 second we're not making money in our Stan stores. They reached out to us because we were doing so good. They literally reached out to us. We do have affiliates underneath us. The system works. That's why we're so successful here. The system works. That's why we're so successful here. Okay? So I don't want anyone to, oh, Kevin's just doing, no. We're doing this to make money so that we can keep spreading the word of the safety trade system all the way throughout the world like we are. We're in Germany, we're in Brazil, we're in, oh my gosh, South Africa, England, Japan, we're everywhere. We have this system everywhere throughout the world. Hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people. Hundreds of people. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a hint. Thousands of you have bought from our stores. Thousands of you. We are extremely successful. Yes, buy the dang system. Thank you, Entrepreneur for Life. Buy the system wherever you are. Yep. Nigeria, UK. Yep. Absolutely. We're in Jamaica. Tell everybody. Trinidad, Tobago. We're you guys don't have every state of the union, I think we have covered. And then 2050 of them. Canada, Mexico. Everywhere. We're everywhere. I want us to get up to the fact, just like TradingView is, though. I want us to have 50 million people use our system. Then I'll be happy. Because then I know that a lot of you will have your money back from, well, I'm going to leave them at the money makers. As the higher one was starting to curve up, people down, and the 15-minute blue line is down, I can place a buy stop safely. Metal Mine, Omaha, Nebraska. How cool. Hi, Kev. I'll be honest. One thing that's been throwing me off recently, you've been doing so good, Metal Mine. If the higher time frame 1 hour sniper blue line is up, starting to curve down, down, and the 15-minute blue line is down, how can I place a buy stop safely? I'm not sure I follow that at all. Remember how they formed the 1 minute, 5 minute metal mine? Yeah, Tarson Black already made the call outs. Yep. Yeah, I kind of fell off the horse. And you were kicking ass too, metal mine. So how do you do that is what he's asking. So watch. I think I'm following what he's saying, but let me make sure though. So if there's a 1 hour, 4 hour, well, I don't know what curving down. Just utilize, please, only utilize a sniper, metal mine. You're in the sniper, I'm 99% sure. If you see your sniper doing something, you follow the sniper. That's all you can ever do. So if you see the sniper isn't a 15-minute 1 hour, it's a 1 hour, 4 hour. Look at that money, by the way. Who the fuck just made a shit ton of money on that US 30 sell? The US 30 sell is kicking fucking ass. Look at it going down towards this blue line as you speak. Wow. NAS going down. Wow. SPX going down. I'm just saying, someone here said 1 minute sell stops. That's all I'm saying. Now, to help Metal Mine out, if you do not see a clear 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop or sell stop, look for the 1 hour. But I'm telling you, the only trades, if you're having a funk, you're having some bad trades, you should only be trading 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop, sell stops on NAS, SPX, US 30 when they line up exactly the same. If they don't line up exactly the same, you do not take the trade. So to answer your question once and for all, forget if one's arching up and one's coming down. If you're in a funk or if you're a beginner, you don't understand what you're doing, only trade when NAS, SPX, and US 30 are all three showing 15-minute buys or 15-minute sells. You will be out of your funk. You will go back to successful trading. Trust me on it. Screw all the other shit you're trying to worry about, Metal Mind, and understand that. Okay? Me since you called this. Says Rob, I know you've been making money, Robel. On Thrill for Life. Thank you for the great call. You're welcome. All right. So, Metal Mind, only trade SPX, NAS, and US 30 when you see an either 15-minute buy or sell on all three of them. Is that clear? That should be a yes or no answer for all of you. Is that clear for all of you? Oh, yeah, I was trying to trade all time frames and got twisted. Don't do that, Metal Mind. Yeah. Just go back to the basics. Wait for all three to line up only on the 15-minute 1 hours. They'll do it. They'll do it sometimes twice a day. Sometimes it'll only be twice a week, but it'll do it and you'll make the trade successfully and you'll win. Everybody clear on that? Yep, says Candle Envy. Yep. Kai, Joe Biga. Good. Crystal clear. Orlando Wise. Yep. Just wait. Even my brother's waiting now. I'm very proud of him. He's been doing so much better. Wait. On a hill that cheap. That cheap. All right. Now I'm really going for sure. I will close the multi-charts and only have the 50. Yes. Best thing you can do, Metal Mind. Best thing you can do. Otherwise, you're going to get all wrapped up in the 1 minute, 5 minute. Oh, but that's a 15-minute. Oh, but that 1 hour didn't work. Oh, that 1 hour engaged later. You know, all that shit's going to go on. Just close them all down. 15-minute 1 hours, just like you see on my charts right now. All right, YouTube, gotta roll. See y'all later. God bless y'all. Have a great evening. I shall see you all in the morning. Yeah, paralysis, I know, right? Let me grab this over here. Pop. Thank you all again. God bless you all. Thank you all for being here. Have a great evening. Wow, I went on way longer than I expected to. Awesome. See you all tomorrow. God bless.